Hi, my name is Sydney. I am the in-house designer for Renovation Flooring's Inlet Beach location. I'm going to talk to you about Hallmark's laminate flooring today. We just got this display last week, so it is brand new for us, and we're really excited about it because it is a waterproof laminate. That is unheard of in the laminate world because laminate is usually classified as a water-resistant product due to the way it is made. And they have constructed this in a way that they can call it waterproof. So it's really, really exciting, game-changing in the world of laminate. It also has an Abrasion Class rating of 4 out of 5, so you can use it in light commercial spaces, so it's very versatile. And it's also very, very scratch resistant. Laminate is super scratch resistant. And this is also going to be fade resistant. So if you have a lot of natural light in your home or commercial space, this is a very good product for you. And like I said, it's scratch resistant, so perfect for pets, kids, very busy households, that sort of thing. It features a beveled edge. Also has 10 great colors here, great for our coast. And also it has a little over a 9.5 inch wide plank, so not too big but not too small either. And it's got a very lifelike look and feel to it. So where you're gonna see graining or knots, you're gonna feel the grain or the knots. And the finish on it is really nice too, because it's not too shiny, but it's not super matte either. It's a happy medium, so it looks very lifelike and the visuals are great. So as I've said, this laminate is just all around super great, really durable, has a great look to it. I think this is gonna last a very long time in your home. So come into our Inlet Beach showroom and check out Hallmark's laminate floors.